Dr. Dennis Moody, we just completed a CHROME natural FP1, and we used a small hole technology, and that was your first CHROME case. Good experience?
It was wonderful. I mean, as we talked earlier, I go back to the days of Link-Cal and Mentag, and so 38 years doing implant surgery.
Wow.
Never had a day like this. I mean, it was totally incredible. You know, the technology, the science, as well as the help guiding me through it. But it's fantastic. I mean, and the patient, you know, what he left here with, you know, the bridge that's literally screwed into his implants, and he was thrilled, and of course that was just a provisional, so totally impressed.
Yeah, and that was long-term temporary, but it was an FP1 crown and bridge, and that's something we've been working on for a long time, is doing minimal bone reduction, minimal bone augmentation, and trying to deliver a more of a natural prosthetic, more like crown and bridge than just bone leveling.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of a nice path we're taking, I think, with this product.
Yeah, I thought it was really exciting, and can't wait to do another case like that.
We'll have to do another one.
I mean, it's just such a good experience.
Yeah.
And most importantly, the patient had a really good experience and was thrilled when he went home with the smile that he has.
Yeah.